Alright, you've got 2,000 Naira in your betting account and you're wondering, do I chase the weekend odds or do I play it smart and actually try to build something from this money? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to flip 2,000 Naira into 10,000 Naira or even more using smart, low-risk betting strategies that actually work. No crazy 8-game accumulators. No emotional bets. Just real thinking, real examples, and step-by-step guidance. This is not theory. I'm going to walk you through how I and others have done it and how you can start winning consistently even if you're not a betting expert. And before we dive deep, I want to let you know if you're serious about making money from betting and want daily tips, game analysis, and exact predictions, I've got a private Telegram group where I share what I'm playing each day. Link is in the description. Join us now while it's still free. Now let's talk about why most bettors are losing money. It's not because they're unlucky. It's because they're gambling without a system. They bet based on vibes. They see a team they like and throw money at it. They try to turn 1,000 Naira into 100,000 Naira in one night and then get angry when it doesn't work. But real bettors, those who win often, they think differently. They're not looking for high odds. They're looking for value. Let me break it down like this. If I give you 1.80 odds and you're winning 70% of the time, you'll be profitable long term. But if you're chasing 6.00 odds and winning once in 10 tries, you'll always be in the red. The house loves when you go for flashy odds. They know it's a donation. So if you're tired of donating, you need to flip your mindset. Let me show you what I did today. I had 2,000 Naira. I broke it into two bets. The first one was a single bet on first half draw in the Italy versus Croatia match. Odds? 2.10. I placed 1,000 Naira on it. That's 2,100 Naira if it lands. The second was a combo A. Spain to score at least once and France to win corners. That was 1.95 odds. Again, 1,000 Naira on that. If both hit, I make 4,050 Naira. From 2,000 Naira. In one day. You don't need 10 games. You just need 2 smart picks. And this is where the strategy comes in. I don't just randomly pick. I look at team form, motivation, head-to-head history, and how they perform under pressure. For example, when two strong teams meet, the first half is usually tight. That's when I go for first half draw or under 1.5 goals. I'm not guessing, I'm calculating. And trust me, the real edge is not even in who wins the match. It's in the markets the bookies don't watch too closely. Things like first half draw, under 3.5 goals. BTS, no. Total team corners. Yellow cards markets. These are gold mines. The average bettor is too focused on full-time win odds, but that's where the house is strongest. If you start thinking like the house, you'll beat them at their own game. Let me give you another real example. Yesterday, I saw a game, small team versus a big club. Bookies gave 1.20 odds for the big team to win, but 1.60 odds for BTS. No. That means they don't expect the small team to score. I took that one. It landed. Easy. You don't need drama to make money, you need logic. Now, if you're wondering how to build profit over a week from this strategy, here's the plan. Day 1, you play with 2,000 Naira and grow it to 4,000 Naira. Day 2, you play smart again, using maybe 3,000 Naira and keep 1,000 Naira aside. By day 3, if you hit again, you're looking at 6,000 Naira plus. And even if you lose on day 4, you've already secured profit. That's how you build small wins into serious bankrolls. But here's what you must never do. Don't double your stake after a loss. Don't add more games just to push odds higher. Don't bet because you're bored. And most importantly, don't go against your strategy because of one bad day. Even the best bettors lose sometimes. The goal is not to win every time. The goal is to win more than you lose and manage your money smart. That's how you beat the bookie long term. And that's why I started the Telegram group. Every day I analyze games, post my own slips, and we discuss strategy together. We've had crazy winning streaks and we've had losses, but everyone is learning and growing. And I want you to join us. We don't chase bets, we break them down. If you want the bet, the reason, and the results, join the group now. Link is in the description. Totally free for now. Let me tell you another trick that works like magic: early cash out. Sometimes the bookie offers you profit before the match ends. If you're close to winning and you're nervous, take it. Profit is profit. Don't be greedy. Also, watch the odds movement. If a team starts at 2.00 and suddenly drops to 1.60 just before kickoff, something changed. Maybe a key player is out or insiders know something. That's a clue. Follow the smart money. And if you want to go next level, start tracking your own results. Make a spreadsheet. Write down the market, stake, odds, and outcome. After 10 to 20 bets, you'll see where you're strong. Some people do well with corners, others with goal lines. Stick to what's working and double down. Now I know someone will say, but what if I lose my 2,000 Naira on day one? That's fine. Everyone loses sometimes. But if you play smart, you'll win more than you lose. The problem is most people blow 2,000 Naira 5 times a week on rubbish bets and never stop to ask why. It's time to switch it up. Think of betting like a small business. Treat it with focus, discipline, and data. You're not just playing games, you're trying to build daily or weekly income from football. That's possible, but only with a plan. Let's recap quickly. Start small. Stick to 1 or 2 games. Focus on markets where the odds give value. Don't chase. Use data, not feelings. Track your performance. And most of all, if you want help, join the Telegram group. We're building a community of smart bettors. We share daily picks, breakdowns, and live match updates. It's like having a betting coach in your pocket. So if you're ready to stop gambling and start winning, click the link in the description. Join the group and try the system today. Bet smart. Withdraw more. That's the goal. Thanks for watching. If you learned something like this video, drop a comment below if you want a free daily slip. And subscribe for more money-making videos that actually work here in Nigeria and Africa.